There's something powerful about taking a pile of scraps, pieces of wood from old shelves, broken furniture legs, leftover plywood, rusty metal rods, discarded brackets, and giving them a second life. Not only is this approach budget-friendly, but it's also environmentally responsible and artistically rewarding. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, the place where creativity meets sustainability, and where simple scraps transform into luxurious modern decor. Today, we are diving into a world of possibilities, as we explore how to turn leftover wood and metal pieces into high-end decor for stylish modern spaces. Whether you're a passionate DIY creator, a home decor lover, or someone who enjoys turning old materials into beautiful art, this video is made just for you. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of daily decor enthusiasts. Here at Kuki Decor, we post fresh ideas every single day to spark your creativity and inspire your next project. So go ahead, subscribe, tap the bell icon, and let's begin this exciting journey together. Modern decor styles, especially minimalist, industrial, and contemporary themes, thrive on clean lines, mixed materials, and pieces that look intentional, polished, and thoughtfully designed. The beauty of wood and metal lies in their contrasting yet complementary nature. Wood brings warmth, texture, and organic charm, while metal introduces strength, sophistication, and a sleek modern edge. When combined correctly, they create that perfect high-end look that fits effortlessly into today's design aesthetics. One of the first ideas we explore is using scrap, wood and thin metal pieces to create elegant geometric wall art. This type of decor is trending in luxury interiors, and with just a few strips of wood and small metal accents, you can build a piece that instantly elevates your living room, hallway, or bedroom. Start by sanding your wood strips to achieve a smooth finish. Remember, high-end decor relies heavily on flawless surfaces. Lay out your geometric patterns before gluing anything down, and feel free to play with diagonal lines, triangles, diamond shapes, or layered minimalist grids. Adding metal accents such as small rods, corner plates, or thin strips creates a contrast that makes the artwork stand out in a modern way. A quick coat of natural stain or matte black paint completes the look and gives your piece that luxurious designer feel. Next, we explore wood and metal lanterns, one of the most charming ways to bring atmosphere and elegance into any room. Using 4 wood pieces for the frame and leftover metal mesh or rods for the sides, you can create a lighting piece that feels handcrafted and high-end. Add an LED candle inside, and suddenly you have a centerpiece that looks like it belongs in a boutique home store. Scrap lanterns are perfect for living rooms, bedside tables, outdoor patios, or cozy reading corners. This is one of those projects where simplicity meets sophistication, proving that even small scraps can become meaningful decor. Floating shelves offer another excellent way to elevate your space. With a single plank of scrap, wood and creatively repurposed metal brackets, you can build sturdy, stylish, minimalist shelves that bring function and design together. Sand the wood to a smooth finish, round the edges if you prefer a softer look, or keep sharp geometric lines for a modern edge. Using metal scraps like plates, bars, or pipe sections, you can create unique brackets that look custom-made. Once mounted, the shelves become the perfect stage for plants, books, small sculptures, and decor accessories. The secret to high-end shelving is balance. Don't overcrowd the shelf. Let each piece have breathing room so the overall look stays clean, intentional, and elegant. Now, before we continue with more beautiful ideas, this is the perfect moment for a quick reminder. If you are enjoying this video and love discovering creative ways to turn scraps into modern high-end decor, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor. We share fresh content every day, From woodworking projects to home decor ideas, upcycling transformations, and sustainable design tips. Your subscription helps our channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you inspiring projects that spark your imagination. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join our creative family today. Now back to the magic of scrap transformations. Another fantastic project is creating designer-style trays that look expensive, but cost almost nothing to make. Using a flat wood board perhaps from an old drawer, or leftover plywood, you can craft a serving tray or decorative accent piece that instantly enhances your coffee table, kitchen counter, or vanity. Sand the wood, apply a modern stain or matte paint, and then attach metal handles made from old rods, pipes, or even repurposed drawer pulls. The combination of wood and metal gives the tray a sleek, luxurious appearance. These trays not only beautify your space, but also make great gifts and excellent products to sell for profit. For those who love sculptural decor, wood and metal scraps can become stunning artistic pieces. Gather irregularly shaped wood chunks like branch cuts, old chair legs, or leftover blocks and pair them with thin metal rods or brackets. Create balanced structures, interesting angles, or abstract shapes. Finished sculptures like these fit perfectly on entryway tables, shelves, sideboards, or office desks. They look intentional, modern, and unique, proving that scraps can truly become art. Simple yet stylish wall hooks are another incredibly useful decor idea. Cut small wooden blocks, sand them to perfection, and attach metal hooks made from old bolts, bent metal strips, or leftover rods. Paint the metal in matte black or brushed gold, and arrange several hooks in a neat row on your wall. These hooks can hold coats, bags, kitchen towels, hats, or even decorative items. They are practical, easy to make, and add a modern industrial touch to any space. Finally, a beautifully coordinated desk organizer set can transform your workspace and boost your productivity. Using small blocks of wood, thin boards, and metal scraps, create compartments for pens, notes, business cards, or your phone. When all the pieces are stained or finished in the same style, they come together as a cohesive, high-end set that looks like something from a premium store. Desk organizers are some of the best-selling handmade decor items today, making this project not only functional, but also profitable if you choose to sell your creations. As we reach the end of this project-filled journey, I want to say thank you for joining me today. Creating high-end decor from scraps isn't just about saving money, it's about creativity, sustainability, and the joy of turning something forgotten into something extraordinary. Every piece you create carries your personality, your craftsmanship, and your story. If you enjoyed today's ideas and feel inspired to start your own scrap to luxury transformation, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves DIY decor, and of course subscribe to Kuki Decor for daily inspiration. Your support means the world to us, and it helps our creative community grow stronger every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video filled with even more stylish, sustainable, and soul-filled decor ideas. Until then, keep creating, keep recycling, and keep bringing beauty into your home, one scrap piece at a time.